Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. In today's video, we will be checking out this all new pop race Nissan GTR R34 Stagea. Now this is basically new for 2023, and basically, well, this is a new livery. Of course, we've done a review of the blue version previously, and now we have the yellow version, which is simply different. And as you can see, it has that iconic livery, which is Pennzoil on the side, which I'm gonna talk about later on. Let's talk about the box first. So first we have like a light gray stripe on the side of the box, and then you have some pop race logo right there, PR64 number, oh my god, I'm not sure what is that, number 21, Stagea. I don't know why did they choose this color for the text. Nobody can read this, it's hard to read. Basically, this one is easy to read, pop race, not too bad. 164, and there's the car with the artwork there. Some more gray and some more dark gray. Stagea R34 PR64 number 21. Here's the other side, pop race. There is the car and Stagea R34 right there. Here is the top of the box. There it is, pop race Stagea R34 PR64 number 21. So here is the back. So there's a QR code if you want, and there's the barcode if you need it. Create your own race world now, pop race, ages 14 and up, and there's the car. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. So this is a great addition towards pop race. Not gonna lie, even though I have a blue Nissan GTR R34 Stagea, well, it's not wrong to have a yellow version this time, but well, there's a slight twist with this. This is in a Pennzoil livery, which again, it's very nice, as you can tell. So the previous version, of course, it started off as the first color, which is blue, back in, I don't know, 2022 or 2021. And yeah, the first color was in blue, and then well, Pop Race decided to release one in silver, and it did work. It's very nice. I do like it quite well, but I didn't actually buy the silver version. And then if I'm not mistaken, they came back again in 2023 with like a BRE type of design, which is very nice, like in that red and white blue type of color, which is not bad. And then they returned in this livery, which is Pennzoil, in this awesome yellow and black paint scheme. And then after that, they released a what do you call that? A Shell version. Shell, the Shell oil company. Yeah, they did do a livery of that. And then they basically used this design and basically made a remastered version, but just that this yellow that's used right here is actually swapped into chrome gold, which is a limited edition towards the Macau event, if I'm not mistaken. An event in Macau where you can actually get the pop race in gold, I mean R34 Stagea. In, I believe there was like a race at Macau, like racetrack. So they had like the Macau 24 hours, I think, or is it 12 hours? I'm not sure. So basically, Pop Race came, and basically you can buy the car right over there, which is extremely hard to get in other countries. But yeah, enough of that. Let's take a look at the car itself right now. So it is the Nissan Stagea GTR R34, and as you can see, yo, that looks nice. I love the Pennzoil livery right here. Let's start off with the rims. So we have 6-spoke like matte gray type of rims, which is nice. So 6 spokes right here, which is very neat. Now if you're wondering, this car does not have disc brakes, if you're wondering. Unlike the Honda Civic Type R, it does have disc brakes, but these do not. So quite a surprise there. So let's start from the body of the car. So we have this awesome looking yellow color right here, yellowish light orange. I don't know, it's like a combination of yellow and orange slightly. And yeah, first of all, we have the fuel cap right there. And yeah, we have like a quarter height of a black stripe right here at the bottom from the back towards the front, and some mini stripes, 2 mini stripes above the thick stripe right there, which is nice. And then we have a massive number 1 at the back as the racing number, a big massive Pennzoil sponsorship right there, which is cool, very nice. It has the URL above the Pennzoil. I'm not sure if you can read it, but there it is. HTTP www blah blah blah. That's it. And what is that? So I see a Tamiya logo at the black stripe right here. There's a Tamiya logo right there, NTN, and GK, and also Bridgestone. There's more at the bottom here, which I'm not entirely sure. Exedi, Rays, and Ichikon. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's that. You have another licensing right here. What is that? I don't know. UHCOF1. I'm not sure. I don't know what actually is that. So yeah, you do have the the side mirrors, just if you're wondering. It's plastic, by the way. Side mirrors are there, very nice. And then let's move on to the front. So we have the detailed transparent headlights right here as well. A front grille detailing, quite different from the blue version which I reviewed previously. Not really the same, but still it's pretty good. They kind of like adjusted a bit with the front, which is cool, more aggressive and nice. Some more of the black stripe moving towards the front. You have the intercooler, I believe painted in black right at the front, and the Bridgestone over there. I'm not sure, is that Pennzoil, I think. That's that. And then moving on to the hood, we have a big Nissan text right there. Nismo on both sides above the headlights. Big Pennzoil text right here as well, and also the number 1 again, so very nice. And yeah, you have the windshield banner right there, which states that it is Pennzoil right here, Pennzoil logo, and Nismo text right there. So white windshield banner, just if you're wondering. And let's move on to the top of the roof. So 1998 Champion 23, number 23. I don't know what's that. I think 2023, 1998 Champion, maybe something with 23, I guess. Maybe it's like their racing number or anything, I'm not sure. Of course, you have the railings on top, which are colored in black and also plastic, by the way. And yeah, that's it for the other side. Let's move on to the left side, which is here. Pretty similar to the other side, just if you are wondering, there it is. You can check it out right there. And yeah, let's move on to the back. So yes, we do have the original Stagea rear lights, of course. Rear lights right there, which are colored in red and orange. Number 1 racing number right there, Pennzoil logo right there, just if you're wondering. On the rear window, it says Potenza. It has the Potenza like sponsoring right there. Just if you're wondering, you have a massive rear spoiler right here, which is kind of like a ducktail, to be honest, a lip. So it states there it is Pennzoil right there, just if you're wondering as well. And then you have the exhaust tip, which is in chrome silver. I mean, not chrome, but sort of matte. There is the spoiler, just if you're wondering. There it is, quite detailed, but not too much on the base, which is cool and fine, I guess. Very cool. Just to remind you that this Stagea has rubber tires, just if you're wondering. I forgot to mention that there's a Bridgestone at the back as well, right here. Bridgestone. Oh yeah, no license plate, by the way, just if you're wondering. So like I said, this Stagea, like I said in the previous video, of course, this Stagea consists of two cars combined. Basically, they are half-cut cars. Basically, one, the front of a Nissan GTR R34 Skyline, and the back, of course, is the original Nissan Stagea. Just if you are wondering, just some facts for you guys. And yeah, let's move on to the base. Oh, I actually forgot to show you the opening feature. Hold on. So here's the base, matte black, as you can tell. It says Pop Race right here, made in China. No car name or anything, just that it says the brand and the original place that it comes from. So yeah, let's check out the opening feature over here, which I need to kind of pry out. Hold on. There you go. So this is slightly easier to pry out compared to the Civic, which took quite a long time for me to open. So here it is, the opening part, which consists of course, the engine detail of the Stagea, which is very nice. You can see that the engine, oh, it actually like moves. Interesting. So yeah, there's the engine placed in there with some red touches, some matte gray touches, matte silver touches. Very nice. You even have the like bar, which I don't know what you call it, like engine bay bar, I don't know, in chrome matte silver. So very nice. You get a detailed engine basically. So yeah, overall for the price, not bad if you get a opening part, even though it's not too detailed. Like for the hood and all, it's not too detailed, it's still fine. I mean, for the price and all, it's still worth it. You get rubber tires, you get all of the detail you need. Plastic transparent headlights, plastic transparent rear lights, and some extra details such as rubber tires, detailed rims and all. Basically, you get everything at a full price, and it's quite worth it basically for you to get a Stagea from Pop Race themselves, if you are a Stagea R34 fan. If not, maybe if you're a fan of regular R34s, then maybe suggest you to go get some regular R34s like from Mini GT, Tarmac Works, what else, Inno 64. Yeah, you can try those. Other than that, maybe you can go for other options, more expensive options such as Street Weapon. You can go for Time Micro. But if you are finding a cheap and basically convenient Stagea, go ahead and grab this. This is not bad of a price. It's beneath $18 or so, which is not bad. Sometimes it may be a bit more expensive, sometimes it might be less. It depends on which reseller, or maybe you're actually buying online from Pop Race themselves. Then maybe the prices may change or maybe constant, who knows. But yeah, overall, such a nice car. Love the fact that they did this Pennzoil livery. It's originally based on the Pennzoil Racing Nissan GTR R34, and basically they transferred the livery into a Stagea form, which is nice. And yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Nissan GTR R34 Stagea in this awesome looking Pennzoil livery by Pop Race. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.